Back to the box. I want to do one more thing before I wrap this video. I'm gonna line them in this gold felt because I like my box. I'm taking this home tonight. I'm gonna put it on my desk. I'm gonna put some stuff in it that needs to go in it, and then I'll bring it back when Norm and I need to take a photo of it for the thumbnail. But for right now, oh, it's so pretty. It's such a lovely construction. I'm just really, really impressed with your work. Okay, so I am going to cut out two templates. One for these drawers and one for these drawers. And these two template sizes are, one is 6 3/8. Actually, it's really like 6 7/16 by 13 7/16. And just to double check these guys, these are 6 7/16 by 6 5/16. Let's just double check them all. Okay. Here we go. See how we did. Oh, I definitely got that measurement wrong. And I think these are just a little tight. Let's double check this one. But this one is wrong in every way. How did I get it so wrong? How does it feel so wrong when I thought it was so right? Okay. You just watch me make two measurements and get them both wrong. Amazing. All right. That's more like it. So I will use this template for the big drawer, and then I will cut out 3 pieces of fabric for that, and then I will shorten this template. I'm sorry. I will shorten this template and cut out the other 6 pieces of the gold out of using the shorter template. Oh, I remember what this is from. These circular cutters are amazing, but they terrify me. They cut so well. Okay, so that's great. Now, all right, I want to see if I can cut out 6 at once. I'm really curious about this. Let's give it a shot. Amazing! Look at that! That's some crazy stuff. I am a new convert to these circular cutters. I cannot gush enough about the circular cutter here. That is just astounding what it did. There's no other blade or scissor that gets me that level of precision while cutting felt. I'm thrilled. I think it was Beverly Downen that got me to really try this out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to lay out each drawer. And I'm going to paint in a little Mod Podge. Then I'm going to lay in the felt. Is that correct, or is it this way? We're going to label. Oh wait, 1L. Right, 3 right, top, and bottom. Look at that. Look at the carpenter's brand. Dude, that is some nice. Oh, I just can't get over how good this wood feels. Amazing. So I'm already crafting on someone else's gift. It feels strange and yet exactly right. If this is wrong, I don't want to be right. Dude, the circular blade just gives me so much precision in terms of the boundary. It's like a whole new day. Sharp-eyed viewers might recognize that this felt is made of what I cut out a circular hole out of the middle of this big piece of felt for my poker table back when it used to fit on top of my white podcast table. Again, I'm not doing this for a permanent glue. I'm doing this for a real just sort of gentle hold down that should last for years unless I want to redo it and do something different, in which case I can. 1L, 2L, 3L, 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 's the bottom. And that's the top. There we go. Now my good stuff can go inside there. Oh, whoops. Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And while usually I use this space to tell you about new merch, I'd like to tell you about some classic merch. Specifically, my favorite thing we have ever produced, which is the Adam Savage Shop apron. I love it when people bring these to me to sign at my cons. But if you can't get to one of our cons, that's fine. You don't have to wait because we are selling both signed and unsigned versions of these aprons at adamsavage.com. Get yours today and start wearing it in.